Good morning, children. Today we shall have our lesson 3. Don't be a Mikhail. You know, in this poem, the poet suggests to a student, there is a question, why children don't like to go to school? Because you all also may be knowing, for you are also a student. To go to school, they make lot of pretend to go to school. Even they make lot of excuses. I think children like to have freedom, but freedom doesn't mean children should not do their work. Those children who fool their parents or their guardians, they make fool themselves. Because all the students, those who have hated going to school, have spoiled their future. They don't acquire a good aim, neither they reach to their goal. And such kind of children, they become aimless. Those children don't have aim in their life, and the life goes worse in future. So the obeying children, those who obey their parents, become a good laborious boy and brighten their future by working hard study. So in this poem we will see the Mikhail is such a boy who has been making excuse, like being pain in the stomach, like feeling to not good, and if parents take such Michael to the doctor also finds doesn't any mistakes in his physical, and ultimately he advised him to have a rest, and the poor boy Mikhail not going to school, resting at home, eating, sitting, making simplicity in his life, and the simplicity made him worse in his life. Because when he grew up, he found that neither he could read nor write. So in this way he was not able to understand anything in his life, and his life became worse and worse. Children, you should also be alert with your study, should not be like a Mikhail. Okay, thank you very much. Sir, 1 minute. Now let us go to the meaning of these lessons. We shall see Mikhail O'Toole is a name. There is no any meaning of this word. That is, in this poem, Mikhail O'Toole is a name. Now stomach, this is called specially पेट दर्द ना. Then queasy, जिसके अंदर पाचन शक्ति की कमी हो जाती है, भोजन पच नहीं पाता है, हाँ, उसको बोलते हैं पाचन शक्ति का कमज़ोर होना. ग्रोन्ड, ग्रोन्ड मीन्स अधिक पीड़ा हो, उसमें आदमी कराहता है. कन्विंस्ड, स्वीकार किया या मंजूर किया. मिस्चीवियस, शरारती. एक, दर्द. पेन, सेम मीनिंग, दर्द. ग्रोन, बड़ा हुआ. फुल, मूर्ख. विंस्ड, मुंह बनाना ना. रीजन, कारण. So please children, try to note down all these words in your notebook and learn it well, meaning and spellings both, so that in the next video class we shall have the poems reading and plus their questions answered, so you may follow it well. Therefore learn all these meanings. Okay, thank you very much.